Nigerian superstar singer Wizkid's father, Mr. Muniru Olatunji Balogun, has expressed gratitude for being alive to enjoy his son's success.
I came to Ajegule in 1972, and at that time there was no light in Ajegule, in Alaba. So I'm the one that went to Nepal and did a survey and made Nepal to come and make survey of the whole Alaba and give them light. So when they presented it, I did the survey, I did the draft, I did the sketch of the whole Alaba. On behalf of that, they presented to the board of Nepal at that time, 1972, and it was approved to give us light. Within 2 weeks after doing that, they give the whole Alaba light. So those are my contributions. And also, I'm the Babadin of Alaba Central Mosque, and also former chairman of APC for 14 years. So I thank God that I'm still alive, and my son Wizkid is still doing well. Thank God. I just want them to please, even if you don't have education, try to have something doing. If you are, because I know for one thing, Ajegule is good for. They are very good in football and also in music. So they should try to develop their talent. They should develop their talent and leave all this arrogancy or what they call. Let them face whatever they are doing. Let them learn a job that will fetch them, will let them future living. For future living, they should learn something, even if you don't go to school.
The elderly man spoke during a brief interview with the media at a glamorous wedding ceremony that he attended. The proud father also said he is thankful that the award-winning musician is still doing well career-wise. Mr. Balogun said, "I thank God that I am still alive and that my son Wizkid is still doing well." In other news, Nigerian Grammy Award winner Damini Burna Boy Ogulu recently warned ace American rapper Diddy during a challenge to respect his status as a music legend. Burna said the reason he issued the warning to the music executive is to help him avoid being embarrassed on the dance floor. The two music stars attended a star-studded party in New York, USA, and it seems Diddy had challenged a self-styled African giant to a dance battle, but it didn't sit well with him.